ASU researchers have created a dashboard to track food insecurity throughout the state, and they've teamed up with St. Mary's Food Bank to use the dashboard to focus on communities most in need. Marcos Gaucin is the Chief Programs Officer at St. Mary's Food Bank, and Aaron Flores is with ASU School of Geographical Sciences and Urban Planning. Gentlemen, good to have you both here. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
The goal is to track food insecurity in Arizona. Marcos, we'll start with define food insecurity.
So really simply put, food insecurity is not knowing where your next meal is going to come from. In Arizona, since the pandemic, we've seen that on the rise, from about 11% up to 14% this year. 1 in 7 people are food insecure. Amongst children, that's 1 in 5. So if we picture a classroom, 6 of those kids don't know where their next meal is coming from.
So basically disparities in food areas.
Yes.
Yes. All right, Aaron, teaming up, as far as this database and this dashboard is concerned, how'd you get the information? How'd you compile all this stuff?
Great question. Well, we have an awesome team of graduate students who are really behind the scenes and doing all the nitty-gritty work with that. But we work with Marcos's team to get food insecurity data that they've been working with, and then we compile census data, overlay that on top. Anything that they really need, we're able to pull that from a database and put it into their dashboard.
So do you analyze patterns, demographics, these sorts of things? And if so, how does that work?
We do. So we collect census data, demographic data like age, race, ethnicity, income, if you're a renter, all sorts of information, if you're a female-headed household, for instance. And we can overlay that on the food insecurity data, look at it, we can analyze trends with statistical analysis, and that's what we do, yeah.
When you see this information, Marcos, what do you think?
It's pretty awesome. So we have information kind of at a surface level prior to this project, which told us where food insecurity was heaviest in Arizona. This helps us dig into layers and kind of find intersections of how different barriers. We all know that food insecurity is a very complex issue. So where do different barriers kind of intersect, and where can we, as a food bank, mitigate some of those barriers?
And basically optimize resources and allocations.
Optimize resources, all of that, yes.
Yeah. I thought it was interesting, Aaron. There was an overlay of data on tribal lands with vehicle ownership, and that makes sense in terms of being able to get to food.
Absolutely. So if we think about food insecurity, the food bank, I don't think necessarily was thinking about vehicle ownership at the time, but with St. Mary's Food Bank, they have this on-the-ground experience that we don't have as well. And so we thought, okay, what about vehicle ownership in this very rural area where there's very few grocery stores? Perhaps we could look at that, and in fact, we do see a very clear pattern.
Yeah, were you surprised at any of the patterns you saw, Marcos, or does this all make sense to you?
It solidified what we kind of knew already. But what's helping us do, the next phase is helping us track, as you mentioned, trends.
Yes.
So are things getting better? Are they getting worse? That's an interesting, with the auto ownership is an interesting intersection. Like in tribal lands on the Navajo Nation, we have high food insecurity. As I mentioned, for the state, it's 14%. On tribal lands, it's 21%. Amongst children, it's over 30%, 1 in 3 children. So these intersections help us identify trends. They help us, how do we better model our distribution with home delivery, with mobile distributions, those type of services in those areas.
With that in mind, how frequently do you do the research? How frequently is data collected?
So the food insecurity data comes out yearly, and the food bank gets proprietary access to that. They work with us and give us that data. Census data, same thing, comes out yearly. So we are always about a year behind on the most recent trends.
And this is up and operational?
So this is internal to St. Mary's Food Bank, so because we use some of their internal food distribution as well. But we do have, screenshots and stuff available that the public could look at.
And now will St. Mary's eventually just take over the entire operation?
That's the goal.
Yes.
That's the goal. We don't have the in-house expertise at this point, but the goal is to work with Aaron and his team to transition those yearly updates to our team.
And I would imagine better info, I should say, would mean better messaging. I mean, I guess, Marcos, I should ask you about this. I mean, this really helps get the message across, does it not?
It does. What people sometimes don't understand is that St. Mary's is a bridge. We're the premier food insecurity food bank in Arizona. it's a bridge for some people. They either had, you know, unexpected bill, unexpected medical expense, something like that, and then you just need a little bit of help till next month or till their next paycheck.
And as far as this data collection is concerned, it sounds like it could be a best practice model for other areas?
I think so, definitely. And I think the partnership with the research and community organization is really important too for universities across the nation. We should be doing more of that.
Are there ways, I should say, to ramp up what you've already done?
Yeah, we explore other community organizations as well, not just St. Mary's Food Bank, but we're also exploring ways, how can we train the food bank employees at St. Mary's, but other food banks across the state to use this type of data to inform their decisions.
Very good. Aaron Flores, Marcos Gaucin, good to have you here. Good stuff, and congratulations on the success of this.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much.
Thank you.